Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add stroke to your picture on the Lumii-Photo Editor application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a picture and go to the BG option next to the effects button at the bottom of the screen, and here you can find the stroke option next to the replace BG, and here you can find different type and just select one, and you can select a color and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.